Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and once again I have been out raiding the rack. Now I was in the supermarket for shopping and I saw a little plant there that I wanted, and then I ended up walking past the florist and I saw a couple of plants that I wanted from there. So I'm just going to show you what I got this time. So the first little plant I have to show you is this beauty here. This is a Ficus Benjamina Variegata, and look at those wonderful variegated leaves on this. Aren't they lovely? Green in the middle and white around the edge. It's absolutely beautiful. I wanted this plant because I did get me a rescue plant of this Ficus Benjamina, but just in the normal green colour. A few twigs that flushed out and became a beautiful plant that I've had to prune back a few times now because it's grown actually very fast. And I just wanted to get a little example of this in the variegated colour. Not a big plant. I'm going to keep this trimmed small like this so I can have it on the windowsill at Crystal Cottage, I think. So I'll have both of my ficus there. But it's absolutely beautiful. And I couldn't pass off the bargain of 59 kronas. I thought that was absolutely fine for this well bushy, lovely, healthy little plant. So I am so pleased about that. So now I've put that to the side, and as I said, I went to the florist on the way home too, and I got me this little packet. So let's just open this so you can see what I got. This is something I really wanted, so I just went ahead and bought this plant. I got myself 2 little pots of the same one because I want to be able to bush this out as quickly as possible. And when I get it out, you will know exactly what I'm talking about here. So this is it. Aren't these leaves absolutely beautiful? And look how long they are trailing down there. Absolutely wonderful. Bring it in closer so you can see properly. And I want you to see properly because I have another example of this plant, but it is the big tall one behind me here. This one here. That plant there is Scindapsus pictus exotica, and the one I have in front of me now is another example called Scindapsus pictus Ann, and it has less of the silvery spotting on it, much more green, and it has quite a lot of satin texture on the leaves. They're absolutely beautiful. So I have 2 different types now. Now the one behind me, the Scindapsus pictus exotica, I'm letting grow up as an absolutely huge vine. And these, I'm thinking I want to have them hanging down from a shelf as a spiller and look nice that way. So this beautiful Scindapsus pictus, and I'm so glad I found that. They were 59 krona a pot, so I thought that was absolutely worth it. They're nice and long, nice and healthy. I can put them together and look at that. Already, big bushy plant when they're put together like that. So well worth it. I'm so happy. So just to round off here, me and all the plants that I got while out raiding the rack this time, this beautiful Ficus Benjamina Variegata, and these 2 beautiful Scindapsus pictus Ann that I will be putting together. Aren't they wonderful? What a beautiful day out raiding the rack. I got some beautiful plants once again. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. And have a lovely day. Goodbye.